First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh.